Hi guys, so today we are sitting down to talk all about weight loss over 40 and the 30-day challenge. I'm gonna start. If you have followed me for any period of time, you will realize that I am on a constant search for the best items that will make us feel good from the inside or out, that being beauty, that being fashion, that being lifestyle, workouts, whatever it might be. I do have a set of videos of how I lost some weight last summer. I will put links for those down below as well. I did do intermittent fasting. I still do intermittent fasting, but I'm finding that I really needed to get my body on track and get my body craving healthier foods. So when I had heard about the Arbonne 30-day challenge, I figured, why not give it a try? I had originally heard someone talk about it on Instagram, and I had seen some before and after photos, which piqued my interest. And I have never been someone to do a cleanse. It's never been something that interested me. I don't feel as if depriving myself ever works for me. And so when I looked into this, I found out that this was, although you are cutting out certain items, it is really teaching your body a healthier way to eat and to kind of sustain eating in that manner. So I also knew, after seeing the person on Instagram talk about it, that I personally knew a friend whose wife-to-be was an Arbonne consultant. So I sent her a message and I said, hey, I'm really interested in this. Can you give me some more information? So the quick short version of this is essentially this is a 30-day cleanse that teaches your body how to eat properly, but it also adds in things and supplements that your body needs, and if it craves things, it actually helps reduce cravings for things that are bad for you. So it has things in it like a daily probiotic, which if you've heard me talk at any point about this, I think that is so important in everyone, much less as you get over 40. It is one of the best things to help you keep your stomach in check, reduce bloating, all of those things. Getting all of your greens in a day, your collagen intake, the protein, and all of the eating habits. So I'm gonna jump right into this opening of the box. And so let's jump right into this box. It's huge. It is a lot of stuff in here, and I will discuss pricing briefly on this in a little bit. So essentially when you open up the box, it comes with a thank you note. It also comes with some information on one of their executive national vice presidents and their journey. And then it also comes with a product lookbook. Now Arbonne is a completely plant-based line. It is everything from skincare to bath and body to nutrition to makeup and hair. Now, all of their products are vegan, they're gluten-free certified, and cruelty-free. So I just want to show you real quick. They have a whole list of things that are not allowed in their product. And if you followed me for a while, you will realize that I had actually gotten into more natural hair care when I started using Monat products, which I love, but this is a totally different take on this. This is nutrition. This is from the inside out. So this is what the box looks like when it comes to you on the inside, and I'm gonna open these up and tell you about each item and what I got. So the first thing is the Arbonne Essentials Digestion Plus. It is a dietary supplement. It is 30 stick packs. So this is one of the items that I've already tried because it's the first thing you need to do when you wake up in the morning. It's got powder, kind of like, do you remember Crystal Light, like those powder things? That is what this is like. You put this in 1 ounce of water and do it like a shot as soon as you wake up and 30 minutes before you eat anything. This will help your digestion process, and you can take this. You want to start out slow. Anytime you start with a probiotic, you want to work it into your system because it can make your stomach feel a little bit weird if you're not used to it. I already had a decent probiotic in my system that I was using twice a day. I could use it up to 3 times a day. This is suggested to use it 30 minutes before each meal. So this is something that I'm super excited about. It was something that was already in my rotation of supplements I did daily, but this is just a different form, so I'm interested to see how this works out for me. The next thing, and I did have one of these this morning as well, this comes in every package, and it is 2 packs of the Herbal Detox tea. It is caffeine free, and there are 20 tea bags in each one of these. I had one of these this morning. So typically when I get up in the morning, I have a cup of green tea with a piece of lemon wedge in it, a stevia, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, organic, and then I put my collagen peptides in that. Today I did that minus the collagen. I did that for my first cup of tea this morning, and then I was like, you know what? I was trying to keep everything in the box and not use anything until I did the unboxing, but I was like, I want to try this tea. So I did use one of the tea bags, and I used it with my lemon and my apple cider vinegar and my stevia. I will say I don't feel the need for the stevia in this. It is a really, really nice tea. I'm really impressed with this, and I like the flavoring of it, and I'm kind of picky about teas. The next thing that it comes with is 2 of these, and this is their protein shake mix, and it comes with 2 of them. And I got 2 vanillas. I'm not a big chocolate protein mix person. Who knows? I might give it a try down the line, but I am definitely much more of a vanilla because I like to mix things like berries in with it or almond milk or things like that. And for some reason, I know a lot of people like putting chocolate with strawberries and they're like, oh, it tastes like a chocolate covered strawberry. It is just not my thing. I don't like milk. So to me, I don't want anything that tastes like chocolate milk from when I was growing up. So I like this because I can put some fruits in with it. I can put flaxseed in with it. I can put chia seeds in with it. And I can just make it into whatever flavor I want it to be. Now, the protein is super important because when you are doing the 30-day detox portion of this, you are going to be having 1 shake of some sort a day or 2 of them, depending on how good you are at healthy eating. If you are not good at making good choices for your meals, then you are better off having 2 shakes during the day, and then your other meals and snacks can be more healthy options. But if you are good at making those choices, have 1 shake somewhere in the day, whenever you want it, and then have a healthy meal. Healthy meal meaning no dairy, no soy, no carbs, except for good whole grain carbs, like brown rice, things like that. Like you should try to keep away from those in the first 30 days, but you can have them. And then no sugars, no processed sugars. You can have any plant-based sugars. So the stevia is fine. And you can use agave syrup, things like that. So that is super important. And that's why you have 2 of those that are so large. Then you have the Daily Fiber Boost, and this one I have not looked into yet. I'm not even sure what I need to do with this. It says on the back of the container includes 12 grams of fiber, nearly half of your recommended daily amount. Helps you feel full longer. That's really good. I've seen that you can put this in your shakes. Contains no saturated fats, trans fats, or cholesterol, and flavorless powder that can be mixed with any foods and liquids. So you can mix this into anything you're having. If you're having a tea, you can put it in there. If you're having a protein shake, if you are just making a dinner or a salad, you can put it in there. So this is super important because it really helps you to stay full through the day so you're not craving those different things that you would normally just pick up and snack on. The next item is the Greens Balance with Fruit and Vegetable Concentrate. So this is a serving of your fruits and vegetables for the day, and you can mix 1 scoop of this into water, juice, your protein shake, anything basically that you would want to mix this into. I have seen people also put this in with their probiotic in the morning, just put them together, do it as a shot, and you've got everything to go. So I'm interested to try that. I have heard both things. I have heard that this takes a little bit to get used to, and then I've also heard people say that it's really good. So I'm interested to try that. The next part is the Body Cleanse, and this is the lemon ginger flavor, and there are 7 packages in here. And what this actually is this is actually something that you are going to drink in 32 ounces of water, and you are going to drink this only on week 3, I think it is. And this is what it looks like. You put the package into the water and you drink it throughout the day. And I believe that this is something that you use instead of something else, if I remember correctly. Maybe it's the fiber. I will have to check into that. But there are 7 of these, and you use that as a quick cleanse once you get into week 3. The next thing that comes with the kit or the set that I got is the Energy Fizz Sticks, and I got the citrus flavor and the pomegranate flavor. So I heard they used to have a green tea flavor that was really good, but I think they discontinued it. But I picked 1 of each. You can choose 2 pomegranate, 2 citrus, 1 of each, whatever you want, same as the protein powder. I chose 1 of each because I wanted to see which one I liked. What these are is these are basically a natural caffeine product. You can add this into your hot tea. You can drink it in water. There are a bunch of different ways. I saw people, like, when you get to the point that you can have alcohol, because by the way, you can have no alcohol too. I saw people doing these with club soda and their vodka as a drink. I'm not a drinker, so that part's easy for me, and that's why I forgot to mention that part. But these are what they look like. They look like just those little Crystal Light packages that you just put in, but this is all natural and all plant-based, so it's so much better for you. But you can put this also in soda water, club soda, whatever you want to call it, as well as another option for something to drink when you are starting to crave maybe something sweet, or you're just hungry and you're not sure what you should eat. You can have one of these, or you can just start the day off with it in your tea or by itself. So after I purchased that set, so there are a few different ways you can purchase. You can just go on and purchase at regular cost, which I think was around the $450 mark. Then, just like Monat, you can sign up as a preferred client. I think it was $29.99, and that is for a year. And with that preferred client enrollment, you can actually then get discounted prices. So I think all of this was $269, and or you can also sign up as a consultant, which I didn't do, but I am seriously considering doing. I figured what my thought process was is I will give this the first week and see how it goes and see what my thought process is. And also, if there's a lot of you that are interested in signing up, maybe I'll sign up so we can all do this together. So if you're thinking of this, put a comment down below and we'll kind of chat about it and we'll figure out if I'm going to sign up. So when I signed up, you also got a free gift, and there were tons of options, and they weren't just all nutrition. There was like a couple nutrition options, a couple skincare options, a couple hair care options. You could choose your free gift. So I already knew that one thing that I use religiously is a probiotic. So I got an extra one of the Digestion Plus. She had suggested getting the eye masks. I have a ton of eye masks that I still need to use. So I figured this is smart because this is something that I know I'm going to need and something I'm going to keep up with. I did get that. And then I did also add one additional item in on my own that I knew I wanted to give a try to. And I knew I was almost out of mine. So it is the Healthy Skin Within Skin Elixir Collagen Builder with Hyaluronic Acid. And it's the acai flavor. Okay, first of all, let's discuss the fact that this has hyaluronic acid in it. That is amazing. That is such a key item to help your skin looking good as we get older. Like, that is just amazing. And so you just take one stick and you add it to 6 ounces of water and then stir it, shake it, whatever have you. So I'm very excited to give this one a try because I love my collagen peptides. I have to have them every day. So the fact that this is a new way to do it, I'm definitely excited to try. So let's talk a little bit quickly just about me and where I'm at now and what made me decide to take this kind of plunge into the total unknown for me. So a few things is that it's summertime. We all want to look good in a bathing suit. We're all wearing less clothing. And I have been doing really good with the intermittent fasting and had no issues with that. But I really wanted to kickstart eating better for me. And I feel like it's one of those things that, you go, oh, I'll start it this weekend. Oh, I'll start it then. This was something that if I got this and I decided to start this, I would have all of this stuff and it would force me to start doing it. Essentially though, if you do this for 30 days, 100% you are going to have enough of a kickstart, if you stick with it correctly, to then transfer this into healthy eating long-term. So once you do the 30 days, this is not something you are going to do exactly like this every single day. When you think if you have an event coming up and you want to get in shape beforehand, this is a great way to do that, to kickstart that. If you haven't been on track, if you lose your way and you need to start again, that's another great way. But essentially, this is going to help you and teach you to eat healthier, to eat your vegetables, to eat your proteins, to eat good, healthy fats, to eat good, healthy carbs. And I needed that. I am now 45 years old. I am 5'6". When I weighed in yesterday, I am 155.4 pounds. I have a 40, so you measure at your belly button and 2 inches below. So my waist itself at my belly button is 35 3/4 inches. And then my waist 2 inches below that. The area more around the stomach area is 38 inches around. And then this also gives you an option, you don't have to do this, to also measure your hips, your thighs, and your upper arm. So my hips are 40 inches and my thighs are 42 inches. Now my arms, I honestly have never had an issue with my arms. My upper arm, like right through here, is 12 inches. I am not expecting to see a result there, but where I'm looking for the results in myself are my stomach, my hips, and my thighs. So the fact that this cleanse targets those areas is perfect. Now I did take before photos. I was debating whether or not I should put them in this video. And I feel like it would be better served if I put them in the before and after video. I will be doing another video in 30 days to tell you guys about my experiences and show you my actual results. The other great thing about this is they have a dedicated Facebook page group that is specifically for this 30-day period. And it tells you every Friday, it tells you like a grocery list, it tells you recipe ideas. Every Monday, you check in with your coach with your weight, not your measurements. You do your weight every week on a Monday morning, and you do your measurements at the end of the 30 days because that's where you're gonna see the most differences. Inches, you don't always see right away. Now, every person is going to be different, whether you see those results within the first week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. But I figured I am going to do this at 30 days and give you guys another update and let you know how I've done with it, what my thoughts are, and how it's worked out. The other great thing about the Facebook group is that it really helps to hold you accountable. It's somewhere you can check in, talk to other people that are doing the same thing as you. Even if you don't have like a local buddy who is doing this with you, it's always good to do it with a friend. But like, I don't have somebody here locally that was going to do it with me. So that Facebook group is a great way for me to be held accountable. My way of holding myself accountable is also by doing this video. I will be doing check-ins on Instagram, telling you guys what I'm eating in a day, things like that. So if you're interested, you can follow along there as well on my stories. And if this is something you're interested in doing, you can follow along with me as well. I believe the Facebook group, so they hold it open for you to start in that same challenge as me until June 10th. If you are after that, you have to wait to actually, you can start it right away, but meaning you have to wait to get into another physical group until the first Monday in July. So if you are interested, please put a comment down below and let me know, because I am kind of debating if this works out. I'm going to want to be a consultant because I'm going to want to get a bigger discount and I'm going to want to help you guys too. So I haven't decided on that part yet. So I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all on anything you saw here, please put a comment down below. If you're interested in starting this journey along with me and you want to do this before starting June 10th, please let me know down in the comments. If not, if you want to wait until afterwards when I do my 30-day update, that's great too. And as always, everything that I am wearing, including the little dress I have on today, will be listed down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day.